Hey guys, what's up? It's Rachel and welcome back to my channel, That's So Rachel. And as you can see by the title, I have gotten really bored, guys. So as you know, we're all in quarantine, right? So I came up with this video idea that is similar to a lot of video ideas that people have already done. So I decided, since it's one of the cheaper drugstore brands but still like well known and good, I'm going to be doing a full glam, full face of makeup with E.L.F makeup. So I've used some of E.L.F's products before, but not a lot, and I've used some of their brushes, and I do really love their brushes. So I've never really tried the full face of makeup with their products, so I'm really excited to see how this is gonna work. So yeah, I went to Target the other day. Yes, I wore a mask, please don't come at me. And I got all this stuff. So if you want to watch me do a full face glam of E.L.F makeup, keep watching. So to prep, I've already used a moisturizer on my skin. So that has already been prepped. I am going to, I washed my hair today so it's drying and I kind of straightened it. I am gonna clip my hair back though, because I want it to be out of my face. Oh my god, my cat, guys. She's so cute. My baby Lils. My Lily Lulu. She is in. Hi, sweet girl. Are you in the YouTube video now? Can you say hi? Say hi. Did you guys hear the meow? She literally said hey. She's so cute. She's so spoiled. So, first step, guys. We are going to try the E.L.F Matte Putty Primer. So this is what it looks like, and I can link all these down below. I literally got this all at Target, if you're wondering like where I got it. E.L.F, I'm pretty sure is at other places as well. Also, I probably look so pale. Another place, my spray tan place, like everything's closed, guys. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to find like a clean brush in here, guys, that I don't use. Also, I have my mirror down here that I'm doing. Okay, first thoughts. It does feel really nice and smooth. So I like that. Honestly, I could probably do this on the, whatever it's called, the monitor. I'm so mad, so I usually don't break out, but I literally have a pimple on my side of my right cheek and I'm so mad. And I'm not trying to sound like bougie, because like I know there's people that have like legit like problems with acne, and I'm not like trying to be a drama queen. I have one pimple, but for me, you know, it's kind of hard because I gotta let it heal, and I know it'll get back to normal soon, hopefully. But yeah, this is supposed to be mattifying, so far I like it because it is kind of putting a matte canvas, but I need my face to be very like smooth. That's why I use a moisturizer. I don't really use primers anymore, but I love this one so far. Okay, so next step is I'm gonna use this oil-free medium coverage flawless satin foundation. It's a liquid foundation by E.L.F, and this is in the color 210 Natural, which says neutral undertones. This may be too dark for me, and I don't know. I literally, guys, was guessing the shades in the store. Like, I was literally guessing. So I don't know. And I'm just going to put it on the back of my hands. I don't know. This may be the right tone. We'll see. Oh wait, this may be too light. Let me look in my mirror. So this supposed to be medium coverage and satin finish. So like not matte, but like kind of with a little bit of a glow, but like kind of matte. Okay, wait, guys, I low-key like it. I'm gonna be honest. I'm pretty sure this is my exact skin tone, guys. Oh my god, no way I got it exactly right. Okay, and this is weird, but I love the smell of it. It has some weird like baby powdery smell to it, and it's kind of like good. I really like it.
Okay, but this is the thing. They're like, oh, like, we make our stuff like affordable. I really hope that's it, and not like it's because our products have literally like the suckiest crap ingredients. I don't think so. I mean, I know they're like cruelty free and stuff. Which actually has nothing to do with ingredients, but so far, this is definitely honestly, man, I haven't seen the camera. Mine looks so white, it's scary. Like, it's honestly scary how white it looks.
Okay, now that we have the liquid foundation applied, our next step is the 16-hour camo concealer. So this is what this looks like, and I got it in the shade Fair Beige. I have a feeling that this is too light, but this one also said neutral undertones just like the liquid foundation did, so I'm trusting that this is gonna work out. I'm already loving the brush. This reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just gonna use like a little beauty blender and just do it in the T-zone and under eyes in my mirror. So just ignore me. So, yep, that's super white. Just like me. I am not the girl that puts it all over my forehead. I know some people do that. To each its own. I'm just doing some simple, like everyday makeup, but a very versatile look that you can go anywhere with.
Oh god. I have a feeling that this is the wrong shade, guys. I literally think, also like all crap. I just like my nose just like was running there. But guys,
So our next step is the Baked Eyeliner Blush in Rose Gold, which looks like this. Oh my god, it's picking up on my old Justin Bieber posters in the back. I was a big Justin Bieber fan, as you can see. Yeah, it's just in this little flip open thing. Half like kind of a highlighter in gold and half like a rosy, really nice like shimmery pink blush. And I love blushes that have, what's it called? Like shimmer in it, because it kind of like, you don't really need like a highlighter essentially after that. So I'm just gonna take this random brush and I'm gonna go and get some on the blush side, and we're gonna do blush on the cheeks. I'm gonna get a lot, assuming that maybe it's not pigmented, but I don't know. I'm gonna do this in my mirror. So now that I did the blush, the next step is to do the highlight on the highlighter side. So we are just gonna grab a highlighter brush. It's like a little fan brush, so I'm just gonna take this and take the highlight side, and assuming that this is probably not pigmented either, just gonna go down my nose. Wait, I low-key love this. Loving it on my nose. Okay, loving it on the cheek. Holy crap. Holy crap, I love this. Love the pigment like level, not too much, not too little. Goes on great, hunty. So I'm gonna take this, it's called Bite Size Eyeshadow. This is the shade Cream and Sugar. So as you can see, it's more of the brown and gold and like beige shades. Never have tried their eyeshadow, so I don't know how the pigments are gonna work. I'm just gonna take this shade right here, the second to most darkest one. I'm gonna dab a little bit, but I'm definitely gonna tap just in case it's like overloaded. I'm gonna go in my mirror. Okay, definitely pigmented. Wow, it blends really good. It carries really good. It blends like really good. A little more orangey than I thought, but we'll take it. And by the way, guys, I'm doing this second to darkest shade, like in my contour line area. I love to do the contour first, then blend on the lid, then do the eyebrow bone part. So I'm gonna do the other one. So just for a bonus, I'm gonna put this little shimmery one inside the tear duct as well. So I'm gonna put it right there in the tear duct to give it some highlight. You could probably also use the highlighter, and we're gonna go in with this lightest shade here and just do on the lid part. Just to create a little blend there. Again, guys, I'm not over here being like a freaking James Charles blending mani moi, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not perfect. I love doing makeup, but I'm not like a makeup artist, I would say. I'm also gonna take that same highlighter color, the second one, and put it up near my brow bone. So it creates a little bit of a highlight dimension and also blends that contour shadow. Again, I'm just creating an everyday makeup look that you could kind of turn into a full glam that goes with anything. Now, so the next step is to do the brows. So I got this brow pencil, the Instant Lift brow pencil in the color Taupe. And this is the second to lightest one because I am a natural redhead and I have blonde highlights, but my brows tend to be just a little bit darker. So we're just gonna take this little pencil. It's like medium like thickness, so it's kind of pointy, so you could, you know, make it really like a good like tool. So here I go. I'm just literally, guys, I'm literally just shading like the lightest area in. Like, I'm not even like, I'm kind of focusing more on the corners. I don't want to really like fully shade out the whole eyebrow. I'm just not that person that has it overly shaded. I love a more natural brow.
Creating a shape, I don't think overshading and putting like a heavy brow on is like cute. I think it's so like weird and like fake and just so looks so cakey.
Has a spoolie on the other end, so I'll use that spoolie. And again, I mean, my brows were kind of already dark, but this just makes them a little more dark. Is to put the lashes on. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what they look like. So yeah, I'm gonna do lashes and I'll be right back. So guys, I am back and I have the lashes on, and stop me, I freaking love them. They were $3 and I love them. Look at these, so cute. So guys, our last step in this full everyday makeup look is lips. I think this is a newer thing they have. It's a tinted lip oil. So I got my tinted lip oil in the shade Nude Kiss. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this lip oil on. Oh, I love the brush. It's like a longer brush head. Super cute. So I'll do this in the monitor.
Smells good. Yeah, it smells good.
Stop, I love this. It smells good, but not too strong. Guys, it's literally like a lip oil. It's like oil, but it's like tinted. So it's like a lip gloss. Stop, I love this. So yeah, guys, that was a little montage. But yeah, guys, I really like this and I would recommend E.L.F. Feel free to find me on all my social medias linked down below in the description. Go find me. I'm super active on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I'm really getting into Pinterest. Follow my Pinterest and I have the cutest Pinterest boards and stuff. So yeah, guys, follow all my social media and then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn the post notifications on. Forgot which side it's on, but to be notified when I post more videos, guys, because as you see, I'm trying to get on a schedule, posting once a week now. Yeah, so thanks for watching again, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.